Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face on the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it of course. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and look for the option called screen timeout, and once you find it, select it. And here we have list of durations, and we have 3 of them. We have 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 1 minute. Select the one you like, for example 30 seconds, and then you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. So now my screen should turn off automatically after 30 seconds of an activity. So if I won't touch the screen or the buttons for 30 seconds, the screen should turn off to save power. And it should be quite soon. I don't know, maybe it should be right about now, I would say, but I think it's too early, yeah. So it's gonna take a bit longer. Maybe now? No, still too early. 30 seconds is quite long. So yeah, there it goes. And as you can see, the screen turned off, and now you can wake it up if you want to by tapping on the screen or pressing the upper button. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.